Finally, the Galaxy Bud Plus is in the market at a price $149, which was released on February 14, 2020. The bud itself weighs lighter compared to the case, with the case being at 39.6 gram and the earbuds being at 6.3 gram. The buds are waterproof with IPX2, which means they are better for exercising but not for going to a swimming pool or you're going for a beach. While unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Bud Plus, we open it. Inside here we can see the quick start guide to guide you further with warranty card and a C-type cable charger. In this box you will get free wingtips and earbuds, wingtips to attach them, and the different size of ear tips, with the charging case being shiny and having two buds inside. The left and right buds are mentioned with the letter R and L. There is very easy seamless pairing of the earbuds with Galaxy. All you have to do is open the earbuds and you will get an option at your cell phone and click pairing and it will pair itself. If your charging case run out of charger, all you have to do is put it at the latest version of your Samsung on the back side of it and you can get an easy wireless charging. There's a lot you are leaving on the table because Samsung Galaxy Bud Plus is the first ever wireless earbuds with two-way speaker delivering sound by AKG with rich treble and deep bass, an adaptive 3-mic system for crystal clear calls, and long-lasting battery power, all for a premium listening experience. You have to understand that audio is rich. Natural sound is now expanded by Galaxy Bud Plus new two-way dynamic speaker system and boosted driver. The powerful bass and crisp high notes will have you moving to the beat wherever you go. Speaking has never been so much clearer than that. Enjoy crystal clear calls and unparalleled voice quality with two innovative outer mics that pick up your voice and preserve it against background noises. It also adapts to noise so you don't have to, because Galaxy Bud Plus adaptive 3 microphone system makes sure you're being heard over distracting noises. The two outer mics work together with the inner mic to block out surrounding sounds while you are on a call. You're going for a walk and want to listen to the beat up music. Catch the details of your music and videos in the balanced and spacious audio crafted by the AKG. The satisfying studio quality sound is pure and natural, enhancing listening to podcasts, audiobooks, and phone calls. Overall, the amazing thing that has been updated is the play music without worrying about your battery life, because enjoy up to 11 hours of uninterrupted listening time on a single charge that extended to 22 total hours with the Galaxy Bud Plus charging case. Consider yourself if you're listening to a music and all of a sudden you realize that you ran out of your charger. So what you have to do is just put your earbuds inside the charging case and just charge them for 3 minutes, and that way you will enjoy them for complete 1 hour playtime. Means 3 minutes of charging and 1 hour of playtime. Again, consider another scenario. Your charging case ran out of charger. So to replenish your battery on any QI compatible wireless charger, or skip the charger and conveniently share power directly from your Galaxy phone. The new feature that has been updated in this Samsung Galaxy Bud Plus is you can use your smartphone to check how much battery life you have got left on each bud and charging case. You could have in previous bud you could have checked the charging in the bud, but in Bud Plus you can also check the charging in the charging case, so you know when to power up. If you're confused with choosing color, Galaxy Bud Plus sleek compact package comes in various colors with specially crafted ergonomic ear and wingtips that fits comfortably in your ear for long-lasting wear. Enjoy unhindered movement while your buds keep the music in your ears. With the Galaxy Bud Plus app, you can also adjust how much of the outside world you let in to stay aware and connected. Turn up ambient sound volume when you need to. Engage your surrounding without having to take care of your earbuds. While using the earbuds, everything is on the tap. For one tap, you can either play or pause your audio or video. On double tap, you are going to next song or receive song, or you can even end a call. On triple tap, you're going for the previous song. Touch and hold is to perform user set function. To connect your Galaxy Bud Plus, pair your Galaxy Bud Plus in one seamless step to compatible devices on your Samsung Cloud account. No need to disconnect. Bluetooth connectivity shifts easily from your phone to your tablet or other Samsung devices. If you're thinking to buy these Samsung Bud Plus, or even if you're trying to buy the AirPods, please make sure to click the link down below in the description of the Amazon app, and that way we'll get a little bit of commission of your buying. You won't be paying any extra money. It's all Amazon going to pay a little bit commission for putting a bit hard work. If you think we are worth that money, please make sure to click the link, buy it from there, because within 1 hour of your clicking, if you buy anything, we get a discount, we get a commission. Thank you for watching. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.